Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set the date. So the day of the week, the day of the month and the year on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100. So this is going to work for all 5611 modules, so all variations of this exact model. So what you want to do is press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and now the first thing that you can set is your home city. We are going to go past that, and in order to do so, we are going to use the mode button. So we are going to press one by one. Here we can set the time. We are going to go past that, and now we arrived at the date. So the first thing that you can set is the year. So I'm going to make it 2024. You can use the two buttons on the right in order to go backwards and forward. So the start button to go forward and the light button to go backwards. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. This is when you want to go more years or days at a time. Now we are going to press the mode button once again. Now the first thing that you can set here is the month. So let's make it December. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again. This is the day of the month. So we are going to go and make it the 24th. Now a very interesting thing is that the subdial at 9 o'clock that displays the day of the week will automatically be set depending on the year, month and day of the month that you have set. So if you have set these three correctly, that one will go accordingly. So all you need to do now is to press the adjust button to arrive once again at your home screen. You can press the start button in order to see the date. So we have the 24th of December. You can press the start button once again in order to have the digital time displayed. Now, in case your day of the week isn't aligned, so maybe this subdial here at 9 o'clock shows this wrong, we have a video on how to align your hands after your battery replacement or in case you are facing this problem. So make sure to watch this video right here next. If you found this video useful guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.